I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to unlink a bank account on Varo, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Varo app. Launch the Varo app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Link Accounts. In the Settings menu, find and select the option for linked accounts to view all accounts currently connected to your Varo account. Step 4. Choose the account to unlink. From the list of linked accounts, select the bank account you want to unlink. You will see an option to remove or unlink it. Step 5. Confirm unlinking. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to unlink the selected bank account. Make sure to double check that you are unlinking the correct account, as this action cannot be undone easily. If you accidentally unlink the wrong account, you may need to go through the linking process again, which can take a few minutes. I hope this guide helps you unlink your bank account smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.